Hello everybody. Here we have to copy what we have, x plus 7, then plus square root of x minus 2 equals 9. Okay, here by solving this equation we can find both of the between of these equation squared we have to replace it to another to this side of to across this equal sign to get square root of x plus 7 will be equals to 9 then minus square root of x minus 2. So what we get, we'll get square both sides, then to get this and this to get 7, x plus 7 equals 9 minus square root of x minus 2 squared. And we know that if this is a, then minus a b, we know that a minus b squared equals a minus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Then here we have x plus 7 equals 9 squared minus 2, 9 times the square root of x minus 2, then plus square root of x minus 2 squared. Now here x plus 7 equals 81 minus 18 square root of x minus 2, then plus x minus 2. Okay, then here x plus 7 minus x minus 2 will be equals to 81 minus 18 square root of x minus 2. After x plus 7 minus x plus 2 will be equals to 81 minus 18 square root of x minus 2. Okay, then after this and this will be cancelled to get 8, then minus 81 equals negative 80 square root of x minus 2. After negative 72 will be equals to negative 18 square root of x minus 2. Then negative to get 72 equals 18 square root of x minus 2, then square to get 72 power 2, this is equal to 5184, which equals 18 squared equals to 324, then times x minus 2 to get 5184 equals 324 x, then minus 846. What we do, 5184 plus 648 will be equals 324x. Then we shall get 5 then plus this is equal to 5184 plus 648 to get 21931 to get 58382 equals 324x. So our x will be 5832 over 324. Then x will be 18. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.